Today we can discuss instruction set architecture. In computer science, an instruction set architecture (ISA) is an abstract model of a computer. It is also referred to as architecture or computer architecture. A realization of an ISA, such as Central Processing Unit (CPU), is called implementation. In general, an ISA defines the support data types, the registers, the hardware support for managing main memory. Fundamental features such as memory, consistency, addressing modes, virtual memory, and the input or output model of family of implementation of the ISA. An ISA specifies the behavior of machine code running on implementation of that ISA in a fashion that does not depend on the characteristics of that implementation, providing binary compatibility between implementation. This enables multiple implementation of an ISA that differ in performance, physical size, and monetary cost, among other things, but that are capable running the same machine code, so that a lower performance, lower cost machine can be replaced with higher cost machine can be replaced with higher cost, higher performance machine without having to replace software. It also enables the evaluation of the microarchitecture of the implementation of that ISA, so that a never high performance implementation of an ISA can run software that runs on previous generation of implementation. If an operating system maintains a standard and compatible application binary interface ABI for a particular ISA, machine code for that ISA and operating system will run on future implementation of that ISA and newer version of that operating system. However, if an ISA supports running multiple operating systems, it does not guarantee that machine code for one operating system, unless the first operating system supports running machine code built for the other operating system. An ISA can extended by adding instruction and other capabilities, or adding support for larger addresses and data values. An implementation of the extended ISA will still be able to execute machine code for versions of the ISA. Without those extensions, will only run on implementation that supports those extensions. The binary compatibility that they provide make ISAs one of the most fundamental abstraction in computing. Next point, operating system case study. First, operating system, it is that the DOS, disk operating system, is for single user IBM compatible computers. Microsoft Corporation sells these products under the name MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, and licenses another versions called PC-DOS to IBM for use its personal computer. DOS was written for the microcomputer technology of the early in 1980s, and enormous improvements. Number of microcomputer still run under DOS. Even though there have been numerous improvements to the software since its introduction, limitation still exists. It is not general user interface or GUI capable, nor can it take full advantage of today 32-bit processors, example Intel's Pentium P series. That is, application programs running on DOS computer have direct access to only 64,000 byte primary memory. Next operating system, it is that the Unix. Unix was developed by Bell Laboratories in the 1970s and is one of the few small-scale operating systems that is both multi-user and multi-programming capable. This allows computer running on Unix to process a high volume of input from multiple users by using multiple CPUs simultaneously. Thank you.